Hi, this is Samasam, Assistant Professor at Science College of Technology. And the previous video discussed about GMAW. Now we are going to discuss about an oxy-fuel welding process. It is nothing but a gas welding process. It is one of the important, most commonly used applications of process that used in acetylene gas. Is an oxy welding or gas welding process. Oxy welding process used a combination of oxygen acetylene in gas in the approved ratio to provide a high temperature flame. In fact, what you said, yeah, uh, the process uses fuel gases and oxygen to weld cut materials respectively. So the oxygen acetylene welding was developed by a French engineers Edmond Fauci and Charles Prinkin. In 1932, oxygen instead of air is employed to enhance the flame and temperature to let the localized melting of workpiece material, example steel in a room environment. The oxygen or oxygen flame burns at about 3,500 degrees to Celsius. So let's move on to the presentation part. This is something about an introduction about this. So as I said that oxyacetylene gas is nothing but a gas welding process. So the fuel is a group of welding process that produces covalents of workpiece by heating them with an oxygen fuel gas flame. The process are used with or without the application of pressure and with or without filler materials. So the major process within in this group is oxyacetylene welding, oxyhydrogen welding, pressure gas welding. They uses the hydrogen gas as a fuel welding of an AI. The PHW is produces the weld simultaneously over the entire surfaces. So the pressure is applied and without the use of the filler materials. The oxyacetylene welding process uses a combination of oxygen acetylene gas to provide high temperature flame. The most popular process is high temperature flame is produced by combustion of acetylene with oxygen and directed by a torch. So in the intense of the heat of the flame is 34 to 8 degrees Celsius melt the surface of the base metal to form a molten pool. The filler material can be added to fill the gaps or grooves. So this is the picture how it has been taken into consideration of working principle of acetylene, as I said earlier. So oxyacetylene gas has several advantages as it is easy to learn, cheaper than most other type of weldings, portable than most other type of weldings. It can be used for cutting of various materials. Similarly, it has other disadvantages like OA weld lines are much rougher. So, and oxygen acetylene weldings have large heat affected zones. And it is most suitable for most steel materials apart from that glass materials. This is done by achieving oxyacetylene flame. O2 from the picture represents how it has been interacted, how it has been fused together, and how it has been in the environment. So the complete combustion of complete combustion of one volume of acetylene requires 2.5 volumes of oxygen. So equal in torch and remainder from the atmosphere. So, and the oxyacetylene flame is not uniform throughout its length, and its combustion also different in different parts of flame. So, the inner core and envelope has been developed. Acetylene feather as also shown in the figure. So, based on that, three types of flames are classified. One is neutral, balance of fuel and oxygen. Then oxidation, more oxygen than fuel, and carbonation of acetylene flame, more fuel oxygen than gas. These are depends upon the picture as shown in that how the volume has been developed. The torch tip and the inner core and 5,800 to 36,300 Celsius. So envelope and these are has been developed. So the volume of oxygen combined with the volume of oxygen burns to form two volumes carbon monoxide and one volume of hydrogen plus heat. So two volumes of carbon monoxide and one volume of hydrogen combined with an oxygen from the air and burn to form two volumes of carbon dioxide and volume one vapor of water volume has been produced. So neutral frame gas has an inner core and envelope 3,350 degrees Celsius at the end of the inner core, and the inner core has a round blunt shape. Most welding procedures used for neutral frame. Then moving towards oxidizing flame, yes, only inner core and envelope. Inner core is short and pointed or sharp. The inner core is very bright with 3,482 degrees Celsius. Has a roar or hissing sound. This may be tend to oxidize weld and is used for welding specific materials. So carbonizing flame. This flame is characterized by three flame zones: the hot inner core and a white oxygen feather and blue color outer core. The flame includes acetylene feather. If the acetylene feather is twice as long as inner core, it is known as 2x flame, which is way of expressing excess acetylene. 3037 degrees Celsius is the heat capacity. The length of feather varies by the amount of acetylene. Carbonizing flame may be add carbon to welding metal. The reducing flame in the oxygen is oxygen. This is something about the various welding process and development of process. I am everybody's understood. We will catch up in the next. Till that, bye bye. Thank you.